All right, guys, we are going to talk about recording into iMovie. So we'll just let that open up. I wanted to just give you a quick video on how to do the first few steps, just in case that makes you feel black. So here's all my funny videos. Okay, so if we want to start a new video, import media. And here I am. So as I mentioned before, it doesn't matter what you look like. My hair is a mess. I've got my weekend get up on, just hanging out in the studio getting some stuff done. So nobody is going to see this. Obviously you're seeing it, but this is an example of how nobody is going to see your actual recording of your meditation. They're just going to see whatever images you choose to put if you put this on YouTube, or they'll just hear your audio. But I'm going to press record, and now you can see it's showing me recording 03, 04, 05, right? And so it's just going to record exactly what I put into it. And then when I'm done recording, okay, and I can close out of this. Now, this is the last of all of my videos that are in here. Drag it into this. Now you can do some super basic editing on iMovie, but I never recommend that because it's not nearly what you can do in any of the true editing software. So now that it's here, I'm just going to File, Share, and you pick to share it as a file, or you can just hit the share button in the top right corner, share it as a file. All right, give it a title, opening and recording in iMovie. This is all fine. You want it to be at least 1080p if possible, the resolution. That would be if you were going to make a video for YouTube. Doesn't matter so much here because we're not using a video, just the audio part. But you see here, you could do audio only or video and audio. There's a very particular reason I choose to do both. I've mentioned before, but we'll talk about more in depth as we talk about the editing process. Click Next. All right, opening and recording in iMovie. I'm just going to save it to my downloads. Save. And now up here in the top right-hand corner, it will start to show you how quickly it's saving it. The longer the video, the longer it takes, obviously. Share successful. Let's go over here to my downloads, and here's my video. All right, so here I am. So this is the file that we will use to put into our editing software. All right, so if you're wanting to do it one more time, do a new video recording in iMovie, go to Import Media. That will automatically turn on your camera, and then you just press the red button to record. All right, guys, hopefully that is helpful to remove that little bit of fear when you're first getting started recording if you haven't recorded into any of these software systems before. All right, have fun.